Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your plan allows tethering and you have data left, because without that, nothing improves. Charge the phone to at least 50% or plug it in and turn off Power Saver. This lets radios run at full strength. Reboot both phone and client now. Toggle airplane mode to force a fresh tower handshake. Once done, position the phone vertically with no case and move near a window. That gets the process underway quickly. Now you refine placement and network choices so signals improve measurably. Put the phone up high, facing the nearest cell tower if you know direction, and stay clear of metal objects and kitchen appliances. They reflect and absorb RF. Next, pick the correct band. Use 5 GHz for short-range speed, 4 GHz for broader coverage, or lock to LTE or 5G to avoid flaky handoffs. Run a Wi-Fi scanner on your client and pick the least crowded channel to reduce interference. Finally, apply advanced fixes to complete the setup and resolve stubborn problems. If your phone supports an external antenna or a USB modem tether, use those for stronger reception. They improve gain and stability. For persistent weak signal at home, evaluate a carrier-approved booster or a femtosel that uses your broadband. If things still fail, test a different phone or device, try another SIM card, and then contact your carrier. Ask about local tower status before spending money on hardware.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.